Okay, I know I usually switch up these paragraph proofs and have you write them in 2-column proofs, but I think this one is straightforward enough that we're just going to kind of walk through it with a paragraph proof. Obviously, notice our givens. 4 and 3 are congruent, so I'm going to mark those. 4 is congruent to 3, and we need to prove that angle 1 and angle 2 are congruent to one another. Well, I hope you can see pretty quickly that these lines are 180-degree, angles. Here's a 180-degree angle. So if angle 3 and angle 4 are congruent, then I hope you can see that angle 1 and angle 2 are congruent. But let's just talk through and write through what you would need to kind of officially write. Angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees, and angle 2 plus angle 3 equals 180 degrees. And let's just say the definition of supplementary angles. Okay? Well, that's pretty straightforward. Now, let's look back at our given, which is angle 4 and angle 3 are congruent to one another. I'm just going to rewrite this thing, and I'm going to say angle 1 plus angle 3 equals 180 degrees. Okay? And that's just by simple substitution. Okay? All I'm doing on this one is just recopying it. Actually, I don't even need to do that. No need to recopy this. Let's just look at these two. And do you see that these are same? Okay, so there is a theorem, and I looked it up in the back of the book. You can too, but I'm not even going to tell you the name of the theorem. I'm just going to tell you what the theorem is. It says if two angles are supplementary to congruent angles, all right, there's our congruent angles right here. If two angles are supplementary to congruent angles, then they are congruent. Therefore, angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. And I know I disregarded the measure of stuff.